Welcome. If Snapchat pop-up notifications keep interrupting your day, you're not alone. Those little alerts can quickly become distracting, especially when you're trying to focus. The good news is you can easily turn them off in just a few steps, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, unlock your phone and open your settings. This is where you control how apps behave on your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find Apps or App Management. The name may vary slightly depending on your phone, but it's usually easy to spot. Next, look through the list of installed apps and find Snapchat. Tap on it to open the app settings. This section gives you access to everything related to how Snapchat runs on your device. Now, tap on Permissions. Here you'll see what Snapchat is allowed to access, including notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications to continue. Make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. This might sound a bit counterintuitive, but keeping notifications enabled lets you customize exactly how they appear, instead of turning them off completely. Once you're in the notification settings, look for the pop-up option. This is the setting responsible for those floating alerts that show up on your screen. Simply toggle off the pop-up option, and